Arvind Kejriwal and Bhagwant Mann have reached the Election Commission in Delhi, and this is with the AAP delegation. Remember, not the first time they are meeting election body officials again, and this comes right after when they had, as a delegation with senior leaders, reached Election Commission. They wanted investigation against Parvesh Verma back then. We'll try and understand and ascertain what is happening right now. Why has Bhagwant Mann, Punjab CM, and Arvind Kejriwal, AAP convener, have landed up at the Election Commission? Aishwarya Paliwal is joining me for the latest on that. Aishwarya, what is the reason? What has brought the delegation today to Election Commission?
Well, it is Awadh Hoja. That's one of the major reasons why we are seeing Arvind Kejriwal, Raghav Chadha, Sanjay Singh and the Chief Minister of the State of Punjab, Bhagwant Mann. All of them have now knocked on the doors of the Election Commission of India. The last day for the nomination is on the 17th. And before that, there is a big question whether from Greater Noida, Awadh Hoja will be able to get his voter ID card changed to Patparganj, to the national capital, because he is a candidate. Till the time the change of voter ID card does not happen, he will not be able to contest the elections. So Arvind Kejriwal now has once again come to the Election Commission, Pooja, making a request. The Aam Aadmi Party has been maintaining that over the past month, it has been, Awadh Hoja, who has been making sure that there are multiple requests which are sent from his side to the Election Commission of India so that the change of the voter ID card, that change can happen. The Aam Aadmi Party is still claiming that the change has not happened, and now to finally fix it, they have now come and knocked on the doors of the Election Commission of India. Pooja.
All right, interesting. Keep tracking all the latest on that. Remember, as we close into elections, it's getting sharper with regard to rhetoric, discourse, charges and counter charges.